Hello and welcome back. Today it is so exciting video because I'm unboxing my Lisa Eldridge lipsticks, and I know that I'm a bit late to the party, but I was at my faculty and parcels came to my hometown, so that's the reason why this video is a bit late, but it's still so exciting for me. And last night I opened it, but I haven't swatched it because I wanted to do that in front of camera, so let's do it. So here's the box, and you see Lisa Eldridge and her logo and everything, and I really adore that her shipping boxes and tissue papers are recyclable, sorry, my English, and I just adore that she still does that, and she did that with every collection that she has done, and I really appreciate that and like that. So her tissue paper, shout out to Lisa team. Everything is so beautifully packed and everything is so nicely done, and her customer service is wonderful, so shout out to them. Let's open this. So I got free pouch, and actually I forgot to add free pouch to my chart, and I emailed to her customer service and they answered within 24 hours, and I was amazed. Her customer service is the best. And I got stickers. They are really nice. They are from like velvet, and this beautiful red pouch. So let's start with gloss. I ordered one gloss and it is Go Lightly. So packaging is like this. Her normal packaging, nothing has changed. And this gloss, we all know where inspiration came from for this color, from who and from what. So it is described as insanely pretty salmon pink coral shade, inspired by one of the shades in Lisa's vintage collection. So color is beautiful, packaging is beautiful, and when I saw her newsletter, I thought that this is nail polish. I don't know why, but it is beautiful gloss, and she said this is very moisturizing, so let's try it. This is my first time trying it. Let's try it. I must say, applicator is really nice. It's not too big, it's not too small. For my lips it is beautiful. And these glosses from Lisa, they don't have any smell, any taste, which I really like. I don't like when glosses smell like, I don't know, cupcakes or crazy sugar smell. It's really not my cup of tea. It is almost cheap to me. And feel on the lips is really smoothing, beautiful, and the color is beautiful. Let's zoom you in a bit. Color instantly wakes up my face and makes it brighter. And I have only a bit of concealer, foundation and brows. I don't have any mascara, any blusher, absolutely nothing. It is beautiful. It is really beautiful. So let's see another shade. Next shade is Velvet Dragon. And when I saw this shade and when I heard the description from Lisa video, I was this is probably my kind of red, and she described this as a muted burnt soft rusty red with warm yellow undertones, and it is inspired by Cinnabar. I'm sorry for my pronunciation if it's not right, but it's pigment that has been used for accent lacquering on jewelry and other products. And it is, the main word of this video is beautiful. And you know, you are familiar with her velvet effect. It is in focus, with her velvet covering on lipstick. It is just, every time when I open her lipstick, I'm just looking at it and I cannot look at it enough, and it is almost, I'm almost feeling guilty for ruining this. So let's try this shade. My lips are a bit dry at the moment because weather, but let's just apply it. And if you are not familiar with her velvet lipstick formula, it is not that flat matte, it is not shiny, of course, it is velvet. It really looks like velvet. It has that slightly shine, because velvet, like velvet fabric, has shine, but it's not shiny. It is very, very unique. And this color is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And this is Velvet Dragon. Wonderful. It makes your teeth really white, as you can see. And I don't know how she does that, but lipstick shape of this like lipstick, it is very easy to apply. You almost don't need any lip liner, any help from brush. It is very easy. Even if your lips are not even your shape, my lips are not even, my lower shape needs a bit of help from lip liner or brush sometimes. You do not need it with her lipsticks. And from description of color and from what I'm seeing right now, this is that muted rusty red lip color, which is beautiful for my skin tone and for my undertone, because I have that slight olive undertone in my skin, and it is divine, this color. Now I removed this color, Velvet Dragon, and I'm just fixing my foundation and concealer around my lips. And the last color is Velvet Carnival. This was slightly out of my comfort zone, because normally I do not wear pink lipsticks or very like electric pink lipsticks, and Lisa described this as that Warhol electric almost pink color. And I wanted to try it. I was thinking between this and Velvet Blush, because Velvet Blush inspired by art, by painting and that color. But I said to me, okay, just order Velvet Carnival, let's play with color. And when I saw the bullet, I did not regret, and I cannot wait to put this on my lips to see how this will go with my skin tone, with my skin color, and almost what I saw on Instagram and on her page, that her lipstick colors, they are beautiful on many skin tones. And that's also one thing that it is beautiful, and that's also one thing that it's worth mentioning. Sorry. So let's try Velvet Carnival. Wow, it is very electric. It's not the same in person and on camera. It is very electric. it's not the same. Camera doesn't just, you just can't see this color very well, but it is stunning. It is really stunning. And this is that statement lip when you do not need nothing on your eyes. Maybe a bit of mascara, maybe a bit of glitter, as Lisa mentioned in her video, but it is beautiful, beautiful. And this is also, this is color that instantly wakes up my whole face, wakes up my whole complexion. This color needs concealer. This is that kind of color that needs a bit of concealer and very evened out canvas, very evened out skin. Beautiful, beautiful. And this is the last color that I bought, that I ordered. I really hope you like this video, and I'm just over the moon, and I'm always so excited when I see that Lisa is coming out with new colors, with new shades, new formulas, new products. And she's a true artist. She's an artist that sees color. She sees color, she sees undertones, she sees everything. And I'm in love with her and with her work and with her art. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.